Snoring is a common problem, but it doesn't mean you have to live with it. The noisy issue is frustrating for sufferers and those around them. Not only can disrupt a good night's sleep, it can also be a sign of wider health worries like sleep apnea and even dementia. Instead of opting for costly treatment, the sleep experts at Bed Kingdom have shared some cost-effective tips to stop snoring for good. It turns out incorporating a tennis ball into your sleeping routine can help keep you out of a common position that prompts snoring. It comes as specialists have also unveiled the 10 UK cities that are the worst for snoring, with a Scottish one placing second. By analysing Google search data to establish which UK cities are creating the most nuisance when snoring, Inverness was named as the second worst. In first place is the English city of Walsall, while Wrexham in Wales comes third, Wales Online reports. For the tennis ball tip, you just have to sew one on the back of your nightwear, as this will help stop you from sleeping on your back due to the discomfort and move to sleep on your side. This tip, which is also backed by the NHS, is to avoid sleeping on your back because it narrows your airways and causes obstructive breathing, which increases snoring. However, if you don't have a tennis ball handy, there are other ways you can control your snoring. Have a hot shower or bath. Another cost-effective tip is to have a hot shower or bath before bedtime. The hot steam will help to reduce nasal congestion so you can breathe better during the night. Mouth and tongue exercises. The third tip is to practice exercises that can strengthen your tongue and throat muscles, as it can help improve tongue posture and help reduce snoring. An example of an exercise is tongue slides, which involves placing the tip of your tongue against the back of your top teeth and sliding your tongue backwards along the roof of your mouth 5 to 10 times. Drink more water. Going to bed dehydrated can lead to mucus forming in your nose, mouth and throat, which can lead to snoring. Drinking plenty of water can be a fast and cost-efficient way to treat snoring. It is recommended people aim to drink 6 to 8 glasses of fluid during the day.